Bro, don't you want to stand before Allah on levels? I don't understand, wallah, like sometimes I look at faces, bro, aren't you hungry for it? Don't you want Jannah? I don't know, but wallah, maybe I've become an extremist, but you, don't you want Jannah? Don't you want to see Rasulullah and hug him? Don't you want to run to the companions? Don't you want to meet him? Don't you want to say, I made it, bro, I made it. I made it. Rasulullah says, I long to see my brothers. Imagine Rasulullah standing with Sahaba, says, I long to see my brothers. Sahaba looked at each other and said, oh Prophet of Allah, we're your brothers. He says, no, you are my companions. My brothers are those who will come after me. They will believe in me though they've never seen me. Don't you want to see Rasulullah?